Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back everybody. Let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market. So recent CPI report was softer than expected, and in general this is thing that we discussed in updates and videos on the euro currency and gold market. So in general this is natural process, and this is actually the reason why we have taken off the table a few weeks ago our suggestion that Bitcoin should go to the 12 even 9,000 even area along our long-term targets immediately, because we see the changing of the Fed strategy with the softer numbers. It get even more freedom with the policy changing. Investors right now are inspiring with a slowdown on inflation and suggest that it might be soft landing of the recession in the United States economy. All this create the positive sentiment, positive mood, and providing additional liquidity in the different programs from the government in the United States, from the Fed in particular, should support market in the nearest term. That's why in a medium-term perspective of the 6 month, probably even maybe 6-9 months, we suggest that Bitcoin has chances to drift slightly higher, and on the weekly chart the pullback might be extended to the 13 even or even 36 level. These two major resistance areas that market theoretically could try to reach. So that's what about long term. In the shorter term, if we will take a look at the performance on the daily charts, nothing surprising has happened. This market starts upward action that we discussed. It was a lot of tricky action around the hand and shoulders that we were considered on Monday. But anyway, as a result, as you can see, markets keep going higher. And now market is entering in a strong resistance area. This is, as you can see, combination of the nearest standing level, 50% resistance, previous lows. It's around 25.30, and strong confidence resistance 26.15, 26.30. So this potentially creates chances for the bears if you're trade on intraday charts and if you trade in a short-term perspective. For bears, this is the potential for taking the tactical bearish position once market will complete intraday targets that we have. And in this case, you could consider, with the existence of some patterns, take the short position that stops above the confidence, hoping on some pullback here. At least the 30% pullback here will be, well, not bad risk-reward combination in the current trade. So, but first, Bitcoin has to complete the target that it has on the intraday charts. So if you'll take a look at the 4 time frame chart, here's the major targets that we have, which is particularly the XOP stands around 25.33. So 2 different XOPs we have from this initial ABCD and falling ABCD pattern. So approximately all of them stands in the range 25.20, 25.60. That agrees in general with the daily chart and the daily resistance. So once market will complete it, bears, for instance, could use this butterfly as a potential pattern for position taking with the stops above the confidence, or wait for some other patterns that you would like to get. So this butterfly has, well, good chances to finalize the XOP, because 127 extension of the butterfly agrees with the target cluster that we have on the 4 time frame chart. In validation point of this last part of the bullish setup stands below these lows, because this is the butterfly and it's in validation point right there. So for the bulls, it is tricky question whether to take position here or not. It's just because target, the distance till the target is very small, and maybe in the current circumstances, as the fundamental background is changing, it makes more sense wait when this target finally will be completed, and then wait for a pullback on the daily chart to some predefined support areas, maybe to the low of this channel. That lets you to take the position on the perspective of the further upward continuation on the daily chart. So if you already have long position and you hold them since through this upward direction, well, that's great. You could hold it until market will hit the predefined target around 25.20, 25.50 area. So that's our view currently on cryptocurrencies.